Hello and welcome back. So it's time to announce the winner of the giveaway of the burnishing tool. Thanks to everybody that made the appropriate comment on my last video. Everyone went into a draw and a winner was chosen at random using one of the random comment pickers, and we'll take a look at that in a minute. But just want to address a couple of things first. I've had, well, one question came in, but from several people, which is, what about the beam engine? What's happening with that? And what's happening with that is nothing at all right now. I found that as I was trying to work through that, I was working around problems and incomplete projects on various shop tools, and so those are going to be finished first, and next up will be work on the bandsaw. Yeah, so I've been watching Clive over at Workshop Friend and also Joseph Higgins' channels, and both of those gentlemen have similar bandsaws to this, and they've done some good work on them to just make them more usable. I've complained about this bandsaw a lot, and it suddenly dawned on me, which takes a while, that it's not its ability to cut that's the problem. I got that fixed a long time ago. When I very first got it, it was bloody terrible. But I sorted out the bearings and alignment and got it to cut straight. And that's just fine. It cuts through big chunks of 4140 without any problem at all. Takes it a little while, but it beats the shit out of my having to do it with a hacksaw. Really, it's holding things that is the problem. So based on what I've seen other people do and a couple of ideas of my own, I'm going to rework this table, add a better support here, open up this curved slot so I can get slightly more pivot on it, add some tapped holes for fixturing, and make a bolt-in vertical saw table for it. So, and I think then I'll be able to hold all kinds of things on it, and it will become a very, very versatile tool. So I'm quite looking forward to doing that and hopefully making a start on it soon. After that, I want to work on a fixture table. This is a 24-inch lathe faceplate, much used and abused. I picked this up at auction very inexpensively. I think it was $20, might have been $24. And the idea is to make this into a small workshop table. I would like to have one like Matty over at Matty's Workshop has. He's got a 36-inch faceplate in really nice condition that he's made a table out of. This one's a bit beaten up, and I think what I'm actually going to do is make it into a table, but it will be a general purpose fixturing table for welding and things. The slots in it will be very useful for holding stuff, and I might even put a vise on top of it. So we've got that coming up. Incidentally, some of you might recognize this lump, which was given to me by Josh Topper. It's off of his radial drill, and if you follow Josh Topper, and you really should, if you don't, get over there and subscribe right now. Well, wait till this video's done. He swapped this out with a much better condition fixture for his radial drill, and I laughingly mentioned that I should take it off his hands, and he instantly texted me and said, "It's yours, come and get it." And I put it off, and then I acquired this anvil, and I thought, what a great thing to fixture the anvil to. So as you can see, that's what I've done, and added a rack for my small quantity of blacksmithing tools. And finally, although not necessarily going to be done last, will be putting the ZZ scale on the knee on the milling machine. Fairly involved, and I'll probably post a video about that. So obviously some fairly involved projects that will take a little bit of time, but having those done will just make making components for the beam engine that much more pleasant and enjoyable to make. So that's why I'm going to focus on those. The other thing is that I've acquired a new tool in the form of this century-old Colombian 100-pound anvil, and I've been waiting for an anvil to sort of come into my life in an organic manner, and it finally happened. Blacksmithing is something I've always had a side interest in, and something I wanted to have a try at, and all of a sudden the right anvil cropped up. This is in incredibly good condition. It's a lovely anvil. Got a lovely bounce on it. And so I picked up some basic blacksmithing tools. I got a new gas-powered forge, and so that's something else that I'll be getting into, because the surest way of completing projects that you have on hand is to take on more projects. So that's what we're doing. So from time to time, I'll be having a try at heating up metal and beating the living daylights out of it. Now, no idea at all if that's going to be of interest to the people that watch this channel. So if you have a strong feeling on that one way or the other, please say so in the comments below. Whenever I do a welding video, that doesn't seem to do that well in terms of response. I actually get a lot of thumbs down on those. Maybe it's because I'm such a crap welder. But whatever. That's what's happening in the shed and the shop, and lot of fun projects, and I hope that you will enjoy seeing them. Okay, now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the announcement of the winner of the burnishing tool. Thank you for your patience. I deliberately have not posted it in the comments yet so that you're forced to watch the video to find out. I need the viewing hours. Okay, so again, this burnishing tool supplied by Tangent Jim of Tangent Engineering, who's a wonderful guy, very generous, keeps sending me tools to try out, which I'm happy to do because they're all high quality. So there's some examples of the use of these burnishing tools around YouTube, and recommend you take a look at that. I'm going to be demonstrating one of these soon. And I recommend you go to Jim's website and contact him by email and buy some of his tools. They're really good. They are really good quality tools. So Jim, thank you so much for providing this for the prize giveaway. And now, without further ado, let's take a look at the random pick. So there it is. David Aarons, 2488. Congratulations. Well done to you, sir. Thank you very much for subscribing and for joining in. I see on the homepage of your channel a small lathe there. So I'm quite confident that you'll be getting good use out of this. This is an ideal size tool for your lathe. So maybe you'll post some content on that when you try it out. So David Aarons, please contact me at this email address. Let me know where to ship this and I'll get it off to you. So there it is. Congratulations. Thanks to everyone for joining in. Just a very short video this time, just answering those couple of questions and letting you know what's going on. And I'm gradually acquiring some more actual machining and fabrication content, and new videos will be coming out soon, I hope. But in the meantime, all the very best, stay safe and well. And as always, may your surface finishes be chatter-free and your dimensions in tolerance. Be seeing you.